Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can slow motion your video in a TikTok. So all you want to do is click on a middle button. Now you want to upload or record your video. It's completely up to you. So let's go with upload. Here. Okay, next. Or you can just slow it down here if you want. Or speed it up. But we are going to do it here. Next, you will have effects here in a live down corner. Time. You can slow motion, flash, reverse. So if you're gonna play slow motion, you can do flash. Okay. None. You can split your videos, transition, visual if you want. But in the beginning you had slow motion as I showed you. Don't save. And that's kind of it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support me and subscribe. And yeah, that's kind of it. Goodbye.